Hey my friends and my seniors, guys, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So today's video will be very beneficial video for every word and every beginner. So guys, today's video I'm gonna talk about the very interesting topic that you have to listen this topic, and you should listen this topic, and you will learn a lot of beneficial thing from this video and also from this channel. So if you did not subscribe my channel, first of all you have to subscribe my channel, and after you subscribe my channel you have to press the bell icon. So now I don't waste time this etc thing. Now I will go to the topic. So the question is that why you want to learn the English language, why you want to learn English language. So if you can answer the question that why I want to learn the English language, so it is very easy to learn the English language, as I take a guarantee. So now I will tell you very important thing, how to make your base strong, and also how you can easily speak the English language by reading. So guys, in this video is very beneficial video, that if you did not subscribe my channel, first of all you have to subscribe my channel. So now I will tell you very easiest thing, that the thing is that also, as I said, that how to make your base strong. So first of all, if you are beginner, so in this time also you have to learn something in English or anything. You have to learn something. Without reading, without anything, you cannot achieve your success, and also you cannot speak the English language. English speaking is the one of the most important thing that you have to learn in this time. Also, English is very useful and also very common thing. So, like if you want to if you want to learn the English language, and how you can start your English journey, that is the question. How you can start the English language. So first of all, if you are new, if you are beginner, so first of all you have to make your base strong. You have to start your journey like in beginner. So if you can do this thing, easily, and if you know the rule to make your base strong, so it is very easy to speak the English language with anyone, with any country, with anybody, in also in your school also. Like you, if even your school that have any a occasion, have any festival, so you also can give speech for thousands of students, in front of thousands of students, and also your teacher also shocked that how he just speak the English language. We also cannot know how to speak the English language, but a little boy, they know how to speak the English language. So that is the reason. So first of all, you have to know the how to base strong, how to make your base strong. So now I will tell you the big. If you want to make your base strong, so that thing is very important. That reading. Try to read enough, lots of books you have to read. Without reading you cannot make your base strong. Reading is the one of the most useful, easiest way that you have to do this thing, and reading is the one of the most important thing also, that if you are learn the English language, reading is the one of the most useful. Without reading you cannot make sentence, without making sentence you cannot speak, and also if you cannot speak the sentence, if you cannot see the sentence, how you can speak some English language. So that thing is very important, that you have to speak something, and also you have to read lots of story. Without reading you cannot get stock word, and if you cannot get stock word you cannot achieve your goal. So that thing is very important. Without making sentence, without reading, you cannot be successful person in your life. So always remember one thing, that if you are new, if you are beginner, so in this thing is very important that you have to read a lot of books. Without reading books you cannot, without reading books you cannot speak better. Without, how you speak better without reading book? Like if you cannot read book you cannot get stock word, and if you cannot get stock word, and also if you cannot get stock word, how you can speak something? So that thing is very important. So I hope you all understand something from this video. So also, as I say that I did not active someday, so now I will just say this thing that if you are new in this channel, so first of all you have to subscribe. After you subscribe my channel you have to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next more interesting video.